Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shopaholic. My name is Saili and this is my first video on product review. As you can see, my channel name is Shopaholic. I really love to shop and try random things. So I've bought a product from Amazon. I would like to share a review of that product. So let's see what is the product. I hope you will like it. Let's see. So this is the product. This is stylish cosmetic bag of brand Eretis. So I would like to share some review of this. So let's see. So this is the bag which has two magic pockets with a very large capacity. It was also pocket friendly, all your items in one bag. Just packed it and good to go. It is also very casual. Just you have to do like this. That's it for today. I hope you like my video on product review. You must try this product and we'll see you in next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye.